Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I did this colorful cut crease situation I've got going on in my eyes right now, and I have to say I absolutely love this look. When I kind of envisioned it and sat down to do my makeup, I had no idea I was gonna like it this much, but I love it. I use the Morphe x James Charles palette. Yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look right here, then keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start off by priming the eyes using my MAC Painterly Paint Pot and just putting that all over the lid. And then I'm going into the Morphe James Charles palette and I'm using the shade Canvas to set all of that down. And then I'm going to take the shade Tune on a big fluffy brush and start blending that into my crease. And I am going to keep the crease colors pretty high just because I'm taking my cut crease so high. I want to make sure you can still see them above it. And I'm sorry if I sound so nasally, I'm just getting over being sick, so that's why. But then I'm going to take this shade code James and start blending that into my crease right on top of that Tune color, and again keeping it high. And then I'm going to go in with the shade 10% off, and since this is a darker shade, this is really going to be where I start building the shape, and I really wanted to wing out this eyeshadow, so that's what I do. I really wing it out and then I start packing it on the outer corner and just defining that eye shape. And now I'm going to start cutting the crease, and I just took my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and a Morphe brush, which I love this brush. I just can't remember the name of it right now, but I'll leave it somewhere down below. But this is my favorite brush for doing like detail work on the eyes. But I took the cut crease pretty far just because I really wanted this to open my eyes up and then allow me to put as much color on the lid as I wanted to and not worry about it transferring when I open my eyes. And I just love the look that this gives the eyes. And then I'm taking the shade B from the palette and just patting that on the inner almost 1/3 of my eye. And I'm really packing it on there, picking up a lot of product and just pressing it on. And I have to say, even doing this, I didn't get a ton of fallout from any of the shades, so that was nice. But yeah, so I just keep packing it on, and then I'm going in with the shade Social Blade and putting that in the center. And to blend the two colors together, you can really just pat over. I went back and forth with the yellow and the green brush and just patted over to really blend the two colors together without making like a mess of colors on my eyelid. And then I took the shade Daddy and packed that on the outer V of my eye. And then I took a small blending brush and added the shade Brother and Cola and just kind of really smoothed it out because I didn't want my cut crease to be as defined on the outer part, so I smoothed it out and winged out that shadow and went in and cleaned it up just to make sure that I could kind of maintain the shape and see what I still need to do. And then I took a very, very small blending brush and went in with the shade 10% off and No Beans and really defined that crease. Just because when I added the yellow liner, I really wanted it to pop. So then I took the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in Vivid Halo and drew my crease out. And yeah, I pretty much, the longer and longer I'm doing this, get closer and closer to my mirror, so I move slowly out of frame, but you can still see pretty much what I did. So then I just took my Kat Von D liner in Trooper and did a really thin black line to prep for lashes, added some mascara, and added the Lily lashes in Miami. And then I was done with the top part of my eyes. And now I'm going in with the Tatcha, gosh, I can't remember the name of this primer. Okay, it's the Silk Canvas Primer. I use that primer every day. I can't believe I didn't remember the name of it. And then I went in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer thing in the shade Brightener, and then took my Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation and started packing that all over my face. And I kind of sped through my face routine just because I didn't really feel like going into too much depth with it today, since it's the same products I've been using over and over lately. It just didn't really seem too exciting to me. And I took my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and packed that underneath my eyes. But I didn't want to get it too close. As you can see, I'm really careful blending up near where I like define the wing, just because I wanted to keep that soft shape and not like really sharpen it up. I still want it to look blown out and not like a sharp like shadow. But yeah, and then to set my under eyes, I took my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Fair and set right underneath my eyes. And then to set the rest of my face, I took the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in Fair Light and did the rest of my face, just because Fair is a little bit too bright for the rest of my face, but Fair Light is a little bit too dark for right underneath my eyes. And then after I finished doing my powder, I went in and touched up my eyebrows, because I did my eyebrows before I started my eyes, but I always touch them up after I finish my face makeup. But I'm just taking the Kylie eyeliner in yellow from the Stormy Weather collection she did and put that in my waterline. And then I just took all of those brown shades I put in my crease and just smoked those out on my lower lash line and really almost like encased that blue green wing area with that shadow. And then I'm going in with the Patrick Star MAC bronzer and warming up my skin a little bit, just because when I do really bright, almost dramatic looks like this, I lose a lot of definition to my skin. And I just did some light contouring, nothing too crazy. I mean, just kind of threw a bunch of contour on my face, if I'm being honest. And then I went in with the Burt's Bees blush in Toasted Cinnamon on this Real Techniques brush that I have been loving. It comes in this like set, I'll link it down below, but it's my favorite blush brush. And then I took the Amrezy highlight from Anastasia Beverly Hills and just put it on my cheekbones. And I put it down the bridge of my nose and on the tip and then right on my lips. And then I just went ahead and set my face and straightened my hair. And now I'm doing my lips. And I use the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Completely Sepia. And then I completely cover up my lips the whole time I'm doing. But I took the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade My Main, which is from the Desi and Katie collab. But after that, I am all done. Alright, this is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please go give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave so you don't miss any more videos from me. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.